Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Tekken 8 keeps crashing problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to use the compatibility mode. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Tekken 8 and select manage and select browse local files. Comes up file explorer. You just need to right click on the Tekken 8 and select properties. Select compatibility tab. You just need to check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, close it off here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type power option. Comes up edit power plan, click on open it. Select power options over here and you just need to select show additional plans and select ultimate performance. If you not have ultimate performance, then you need to select high performance guys, and after doing this, close it off here. And now we need to update the Windows guys. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side, select Windows update, select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. And after doing this, close it off here. Now we need to update the graphics card drivers. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. For Nvidia users, you just need to download GeForce Experience. Select the download now option and download it. For AMD users, you just need to download this program guys. Auto detect and install drivers update for AMD. You just need to download Windows drivers, select it and download it. After downloading it, open the downloaded program and select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available updates listed over here, then you need to update it guys. After updating your graphics card, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, launch the Tekken 8 and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.